What's up, GB gang? It's your boy, GB. And look what I got. That's right. The beard. Yes, sir. We're gonna try to do this sufficient if possible. As possible. Okay. Pop that off. You get a lot of that. And I'm actually gonna take the camera. So you get the brush, Beard Club. You get the vitamins. Okay. Get the vitamins. I'm gonna let y'all know for real how everything smells. We ain't just gonna make the page just to make it. Oh, those stink, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. They stink. They stink. Capsules like that. Okay. Like that. Since the day just began, I'm gonna start this process tomorrow. Okay. You got the growth oil. Okay. The growth oil. You got that. That's how that look. I'm just getting in the house. I'm just receiving this. You got the growth vitamin spray. Okay. If I like it, I'm gonna reorder it. If I don't, it's the last time y'all seen it. We got beard shampoo. That's what I've been waiting on. I've been waiting on that. Again, I ain't the type that's gonna lie to you. If I like it, I like it. If I don't, I don't. It's different. Real different. Smell different. Let me smell this. Smell real different. Not nasty different, but good. You know, not used to it. Yeah, smells different. Also, we get the mustache comb with the keychain, and then we get what I've been waiting on, which is the beard comb. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Yep. That's that. That's it for that. Again, it's the box. This is how it's gonna come. TheBeardClub.com with your information at the bottom. So let's go over it again one more time. Vitamins, the oil, the brush. Oh yeah, I could do this. It's soft, it's not hard. Just right. Just right. This is my beard. So I'm gonna blend in these spots, hopefully. Blend that in. Woo-woo. I like that. Let's see the comb. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It don't cut you. It don't cut your beard. It don't pull it. Way better than a beauty supply comb. Doesn't pull your beard, doesn't cut it. This is my beard. I'm gonna let y'all know how it is.